Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? What if I told you there are ways to earn $1,000 a week without working around the clock? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 awesome automated ways to make money online. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes or scams. They're real methods that anyone can use to start earning some serious cash. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how you can start making money on autopilot. Method number 1. Affiliate marketing. Let's kick things off with our first automated way to make money online: affiliate marketing. Now, you might be wondering, what in the world is affiliate marketing? Don't worry, we'll explain it in super simple terms. Imagine you have a friend who loves a certain toy. You tell another friend about this awesome toy, and they decide to buy it. The toy company is so happy that you helped sell their toy, they give you a little bit of money as a thank you. That's basically what affiliate marketing is all about. The best part about affiliate marketing is that once you set it up, it can run on autopilot. You don't have to be there 24/7 to make money. Here's how you can get started. First, pick a topic you like. It could be anything: video games, cooking, gardening, or even cute cat videos. The important thing is to choose something you enjoy talking about. Next, start a blog or YouTube channel about your chosen topic. Share helpful information, tips, and tricks. Make sure your content is fun and easy to understand. Now comes the money-making part. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your topic. Amazon has a huge affiliate program, but there are lots of others too. You'll get special links to products you want to recommend. When you talk about products in your blog posts or videos, use your affiliate links. If someone clicks on your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Method number 2. Print on demand. All right, are you ready for our second awesome way to make money on autopilot? Let's talk about print on demand. This is a super cool method that lets you sell custom products without ever touching them or storing them in your house. So, how do you get started with print on demand? Let us break it down for you. First, you need to come up with some cool designs. Don't worry if you're not an artist. There are lots of easy-to-use design tools out there. You can make simple text designs, use free graphics, or even hire someone to make designs for you. Next, you'll need to choose a print-on-demand platform. Some popular ones are Printful, Printify, and Teespring. These websites will handle all the printing and shipping for you. Then, you'll need to set up an online store to sell your products. You can use websites like Etsy and Shopify, or even create your website. Now comes the fun part: uploading your designs and creating product listings. Make sure to use catchy titles and descriptions that will make people want to buy your stuff. The final step is to get people to visit your store. You can share your products on social media, start a blog about your designs, or even run some ads if you want to. Here's where the automation comes in. Once you've set everything up, you don't have to do much else. When someone places an order, the print-on-demand company automatically prints your design on the product and ships it to the customer. You don't have to package anything or go to the post office. Method number 3. Digital products. Are you ready for our third amazing way to make money while you snooze? Let's talk about digital products. This is a super awesome method because you create something once, and then you can sell it over and over again without any extra work. So, what exactly are digital products? They're things that exist only in digital form, like ebooks, online courses, music, digital art, or even templates and printables. So, how do you get started with selling digital products? Let us break it down for you. First, think about what you're good at or what you know a lot about. Maybe you're great at drawing, or you know all about taking care of pets, or you're wise at math. Whatever it is, there's probably a digital product you can create based on your skills or knowledge. Next, decide what kind of digital product you want to make. If you're good at writing, you could create an ebook. If you like teaching, you could take an online course. If you're artistic, you could create digital art or templates. Now it's time to create your product. This might take a little while, but remember, you only have to do it once. Make sure your product is high quality and gives people lots of value for their money. Once your product is ready, you need to set up a way to sell it. You could use a platform like Gumroad or Teachable, or sell through your website. These platforms will handle the payment processing and delivery of your digital product automatically. The final step is to let people know about your awesome new product. You can share it on social media, write blog posts about it, or even run some ads if you want to reach more people. Here's where the automation magic happens. Once you've set everything up, people can buy and download your product without you having to do anything. You could be fast asleep, and someone on the other side of the world could be buying your ebook or signing up for your online course. Method number 4. YouTube channel monetization. Alright, moneymakers, are you ready for our 4th fantastic way to earn money while you're out having fun? First, let's talk about how you make money on YouTube. The main way is through ads. YouTube puts ads on your videos, and when people watch those ads, you get a little bit of money. But that's not the only way. You can also make money through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and even fan funding. So, how do you turn your YouTube channel into an automated money-making machine? Here's the step-by-step guide. First, pick a topic for your channel. Just like with affiliate marketing, choose something you enjoy talking about. It could be anything: video game reviews, cooking tutorials, science experiments, or even funny cat videos. Next, start creating videos. In the beginning, you'll need to put in some work to build up your channel. Try to make videos that people will want to watch over and over again. These are called evergreen videos because they stay relevant for a long time. As you're making videos, don't forget to optimize them for search. Use good titles, descriptions, and tags so people can find your videos easily. The more people who watch your videos, the more money you can make. Once you have enough subscribers and watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This is what allows you to start making money from ads on your videos. Now, here's where the automation comes in. Once you have a bunch of good videos up, they can keep making money for you even if you're not uploading new ones all the time. People might find your old videos through searches or recommendations, and you'll still make money from the ads on those videos. Method number 5. Rental income from digital assets. Okay, moneymakers, are you ready for our 5th and final automated way to make money online? This one might sound a little strange at first, but stick with me, it's super cool. We're going to talk about making money by renting out digital assets. Now you might be thinking, what in the world are digital assets? Well, they're things that exist online that other people might want to use. This could be things like website templates, digital art, music tracks, or even virtual real estate in online games. So, how do you get started with renting out digital assets? Let me break it down for you. First, you need to create your digital asset. This could be designing a cool website template, creating a catchy music track, or even buying virtual land in a popular online game. Next, you need to find a platform where you can rent out your digital assets. For website templates, you might use a site like TeamForest. For music, you could use a platform like Pond5. For virtual real estate, you'd use whatever marketplace is available in the specific game. Once you've got your asset listed on a rental platform, people can start renting it. They might use your website template for a month, license your music track for a YouTube video, or rent your virtual land for their online store. Here's where the automation magic happens. Once you've created your asset and listed it for rent, you don't have to do much else. People can rent your assets without you having to do anything. You could be out playing with friends, and someone could be renting your website template or music track. Wow, we've covered 5 awesome ways to make money online automatically. These methods are all great ways to start building automated income streams. Remember, they might not make you rich overnight, but with some hard work and patience, you could be earning $1,000 a week or even more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It helps other people find this information too. And if you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching.